We are in Great Sand Dunes National Park, part of the National Park system. This is the one that's in southern Colorado. Sangre de Cristo Mountains are behind me. This is the Mosca region of Colorado. South of Pueblo, almost to the New Mexico border. And you can drive around the south, this is south end of the dunes all the way to on the other side and see Star Dune and some other dunes that are on the other side of this gigantic one. So yeah, hope y'all are having a great day. What a wonderful day to be in the Rocky Mountains. We're on the south end of the Colorado Rocky Mountains, and there they are.